Hey everyone, in this video we are going to talk about ways to make free money. But before we get started, it's important to understand that there is no guaranteed way to get free money. Any offer of free money that seems too good to be true is likely a scam. Legitimate ways to earn money include working, starting a business, investing, and participating in government programs such as welfare or unemployment benefits. It's important to be cautious of any offer that promises free money with little or no effort, as these are often scams. Now, let's talk about apps that claim to give users free money. There are few apps that claim to do this, but many of these are not legitimate or have significant qualifications or restrictions. Some apps that may offer free money include surveys and market research apps, which may give users small amounts of money or gift cards in exchange of participating in surveys or focus groups. Cashback apps, which give users a small percentage of their purchases back in the form of cash or gift cards. Rewards apps, which gives users points or cash for completing certain tasks or reaching certain milestones. And investment apps, which offer free money or stock as an incentive to sign up or make a deposit. It is important to be aware that some apps may require users to provide personal information or make a purchase in order to receive free money. Additionally, the amount of free money offered by these apps is often small and may require a significant amount of time and effort to earn. To ensure that you don't fall for a scam, it's important to always read the terms and conditions and users' reviews before signing up or downloading any app that promises free money or rewards. So, while there may be ways to make free money, it's important to approach them with caution and do your research before taking any action. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Like and subscribe.